How to use Clearpay on Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to use your Clearpay account on your Amazon. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest contents. On that note, let's dive right in. So the first thing that you want to do is open up any web browser you have and then search for Clearpay. Here, this link will pop up where it says www.clearpay.co.uk. So this is the URL, you can directly search for it. Now you cannot directly link up your Clearpay and Amazon, but what you can do is purchase certain gift cards from Clearpay's website or from its app, and then use those gift cards separately on your Amazon. In order to do that, you will first have to shop all of the necessary gift cards from this website, and then you have to head over to your Amazon shopping, then add products to your cart, and when you check out, you will have to use those Clearpay coupons or all of the discounts that are available. So that's pretty much it for this video. If this video helped you, hit the like down below and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos. I will see you on the next one.